there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's card features the sweet strawberry bundle from Stampin' Up. Now it's featured on page 44 of the mini catalogue. That's the January to June 2021 mini catalogue, and you can order from that catalogue now. You can order from me online any of those fabulous new products. So the products that I'm using today are the sweet strawberry. I'm also featuring one of the free items from Celebration. So Celebration is a promotion that runs alongside the mini catalogue, and it runs until the end of February. And one of the products I've used is this gorgeous paperback here, and it is the Berry Delightful Designer Series paper. It's full of all beautiful berry images, and it's just, oh, they're very, very, very adorable. So that one there is actually featured in the Celebration catalogue, and it's on page 14. So to earn this one for free, you get the stamp set and the paper. You would need to spend 180 Australian dollars or more to qualify for that one. But there are other fabulous items in here when you spend over $90 Australian that you can earn. Some fabulous designer series paper. Some absolutely fabulous designer series paper. It's a very cute stamp set. Look at that little donkey. How cute is that? Another cute stamp set there on page 6. And a really, really lovely one, a touch of ink right over here on page 12. But anyway, let me show you how I made this card, because I'm excited to show you another new product that we have in the January to June catalogue, the mini catalogue, and these are our new blending brushes. They come in a pack of 3. They are so soft. Oh my gosh, they feel like blusher brushes for your makeup. They are just gorgeous, and they are washable, which is fabulous. They're so easy to use. So for this one here, I've actually used the blending for that little strip through there. So let me show you how I did it. So I'm going to bring in a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I've already put my post-it notes on it to form a mask. And how I decided how I was going to do that is I just lined my paper up on my grid paper, and I just measured it up sort of 2 squares. But you can do it any way. You don't have to do it that way. So let me show you how I did it. So I'm going to bring in my Granny Apple Green Designer Series paper. Granny Apple Green Classic ink, and dab my blender brush in here. Now when you're blending, you always start off the page, otherwise you're going to get a great big splodge in the middle. So you start over here and then blend. Otherwise you'll get a big piece that you don't really want in there. And you don't have to press hard. You can go over it as many times as you like, depending on how much depth you want in there. I'm just going to keep blending a little bit more till I've got a few harsh lines out of there. I don't want it to be perfect. I've got light and dark going in there, which is fine because I'm going to be stamping over it. So we'll take those off. Here we go. One is slightly wider than the other, so we might go with that one there, I think, because I'm going to stamp the sentiment at the bottom. Now just be aware, when you are using your blending brushes, you can get a bit of ink on your fingers, so just so you know, it has happened to me. I'm going to use Poppy Parade for the sentiment. Thank you, because it fits in perfectly, and I'm going to stamp that before I do the other stamping, just so I know where I'm going with it. So let me just keep my fingers crossed. I'm going to get this nice and straight. Come down about there. Yep, I'm happy with that. So that is the Poppy Parade stamping done. Now I'm bringing in the Granny Apple Green again, and I'm using that larger leaf and flower image. I'm going to ink up my stamp, and I'm just going to stamp over the top of my blending. So this is random stamping. So you see you get different tone, the darker tone now with on top of that blended blended work, which I like. Coming up here now, I just want to make sure I'm not stamping over the sentiment. Yep, and then one more. Just this one will go off the page slightly, and where should we have that one? Don't want it to overlap. That looks good. Yep, that's good. Very easy to do, and really effective with that blending at the back. Now I have popped up some little flowers on here. I've already gone ahead and punched them out, so I use that small stamp there, and then I use this punch to punch them out, and I've used Pacific Point, Balmy Blue and Real Red just for a pop of colour. And I have already put my dimensionals on the back of them. So there. And then over here, little Pacific Point one. Just over there. There we go. And this is the fabulous Designer Series paper, the Very Delicious paper. I'll put at the bottom of the video, I'll have a link to my online store, so you'll be able to go and see these wonderful products. Let's put that on there with some Tombow. Going to use the squares to line that up. Go. And I'm going to put some twine around there. If you've got some of your leftover twine from perhaps some of your Christmas tag stamp sets, perhaps. I did have some. I was going to use it for that one, but whatever you've got that fits around here, I will use the linen thread because I love linen thread. And I'm not really sure why I'm attempting a bow on camera again, because I have been having some serious fails just recently, so maybe today will be a better day for me. Who knows? Who knows? I just wrapped that round there twice, and I usually have more success when I'm using the linen thread. Yep, today was a good day. I might just move that flower up slightly if I can do so without ripping the paper. Fingers crossed. Yep. Actually, I don't think it looks bad if I go across the top like that. That's okay. I might have it a bit too though. There we are. Doesn't really matter if you can see a little bit of the stamping underneath it. Okay. And I'm also going to put some little dimensionals on here. These are the Elegant Faceted Gems. They are white clear and that beautiful champagne colour. I use the clear ones. I'll use that, do that again. They really are. They have a lovely, lovely, I don't know if you can actually see it on the camera. Does it show? Let's see if I can put it on there. They actually have a little what do you call it? Like a little, like a oh, I don't know what, they are embossed slightly. There we are, that's the word I was looking for. They're very, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty indeed. So that's that one. And then let's put some dimensionals on the back of this. There they are. That's the other side of that paper. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, it's beautiful. But like I said, this paper comes with a stamp set as well, and it is with the higher purchase. So if you are looking at doing a bigger order, then you have to be spending $180 to qualify, Australian, to qualify for this, to get this paper and the stamp set. But it is worth it because it's beautiful paper. And I haven't tried yet, but I suspect that this punch will probably cut these out as well. In fact, I'm pretty sure it will. I just haven't used it yet to do so. And let's put this onto our card. Go. And there you have it. Pretty easy card to make, very effective with the blending, and just the Granny Apple Green and the Poppy Parade for the main part of the stamping. The little flowers are additional, you don't have to do that, but I think it gives it a nice little pop there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like to see more of my videos, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and as I said, I have put a link in the description bar below for my online shop. Again, thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me via my Stampin' Up website, stampingmary.stampinup.net, or you can contact me via my Gmail account, stampingmary@gmail.com. That's MERRY.com. Thank you.